What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I told you that Swiftcoin was going to be a problem. Swiftcoin was going to be something that is worth quite a bit. Now, with any investment, I always decide to do the safe thing, no matter how comfortable and how confident I am in that position. Once I get to a certain point, I want to find a place to where I can kind of get back get back to square one, where I still have something or a lot left on the table while also taking what I initially invested. But Swiftcoin, I still have a massive amount that's sitting there. Not like obviously some people that even brought me onto it. I can't remember how long it's been. It might be like 6 or 7 months. But the person that brought me onto it has well over a million, well over 2 million Swift coin in their possession, which is fantastic. And once they see this get to the highest levels that it's going to get to, they're obviously going to be able to realize a lot, I mean a lot of profit, right? So anyways, if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I appreciate everybody that is on Patreon, that's on YouTube, that kind of waited around as well. I'm sure you guys have other people that you're watching, and I just appreciate you coming back and viewing my video. I know I've been sick for quite some time. I had no voice for a while. Even my last video, I ran out of voice by the end. So it was definitely a little bit of a journey for the last week and a half, going on 2 weeks. So with that being said, let's get into some things. I do want to say before we get into this video, if you could check out the link for BTCC down below. You can buy many cryptocurrencies that are over there, and you can leverage trade all the way up to 500x leverage. So feel free to check out that link. They are partnered with the channel, and I do appreciate anybody that goes and checks it out. I also appreciate you guys for just viewing the videos. But where does Swiftcoin stand? If you didn't see last night, Swiftcoin jumped quite a bit. While everything else really wasn't running as much, and even today things aren't really running as much, and you can see Swiftcoin that kind of took a little bit of a hit from where it was. It's still at a $157 million market cap, and that's not the peak of where this is going. This is something that is offered on S-tier exchanges. This is something that has the ability to be bought in places that is easily attainable, right? 157, $158 million market cap with $410 million worth of volume. That's up 289% in the last 24 hours. Also, the price is sitting at about 4 cents, which doesn't sound like a lot, but compared to where it started and where we even, started talking about it. And honestly, I wanted to pick up more at a lower level. I just got comfortable in what I did hold. So still having 609,000 Swift coin, very happy with what I had. There's always that thought in the back of your mind, like I could have bought more. I was going to buy more, but I didn't, right? So anyways, sitting at about 4 cents, up 22%. You can see the highest point that it got to in the last day was 4.6 cents, almost at 5 cents here, almost 4.7 cents there. So getting to a level of 5 cents, the pullback portion of 5 cents was my initial selling point, and that's why I decided to take a little bit from my overall portfolio there. Now, if you don't know, I invested $3,000 into this total, and at first I started with like 1,100 or 1,200. Then I continued to grow to 1,700 to 2,000, and I added another 1,000 or so. It was about 1,000 or 3,000, maybe 100 ish that I invested into it at a very low level, not super low. I think it was at like 50% of a penny, while others may have invested at 30% of a penny. If we look at the last 7 days, it's up by 204%. The last month, it's up by 461% from this low level here in January, the low level of 74% of a penny. And you could see here how it was at a level of 60% of a penny and 50% of a penny. That's somewhere that I invested in it at. And I wish I would have put in, $5,000, which would have gotten me $1 million. But I was just like, you know what? I believe in this. I still see the success, even if it is going to go up to a level of $1, and I would get $609,000. I don't have to be greedy. I can put that money elsewhere, even though I feel like it wouldn't have been greedy. It would have just been a couple more thousands that I could have added to it. Either way, my value last night at the highest level was about $28,000 from a $3,000 investment to a $28,000 balance. Now, with that, I always like to take my initial investment. That is something that I've done so many times over, especially with something that I plan on, maybe offing a lot of my position by the time, maybe the next year or so. If it's something that I'm holding forever, then I'll have that forever, right? It's not something that I'm looking to just gain the profit from, and other ones I'm looking to just utilize as well as gain some profit from. So for Swiftcoin, I decided to take 100,000 coins, which gave me about 4,000 ish, 4,600 at the peak point where I decided to sell. It was $4,600 that I decided to take, which is 1,600 or 1,500 more than where I invested at. Meaning that I have a $1,500 profit plus the initial investment that I had. Now, the rest that I have sitting there, I still have 500,000 coins that's sitting in my possession. And I still see this going to a level of $1. I can tell you that as we see that growth, I do have different selling points. But depending on how other investments work out, this one might end up going the distance to $1. If those other investments don't work out before this one takes off, then it may be a 50-cent mark that I decide to take that profit from, which would be a $2 billion market cap with the $4 billion circulating supply. That is something that also is factored in to the overall profit that I take. And when I take the profit is this level of overall supply. And you see a 10 billion total supply while you have 4 billion that's out there, meaning that it could be diluted 100% or more, 150% at this moment. And I decided that if that is the case and I see some sort of addition of the coins, then I'm going to take profit accordingly. So right now, I have my initial investment, I have my profit. Now I can just be happy to hold all the way until 50 cents or 75 cents or $1, or even further than that, depending on how the discussions and the conversations and all of the different things that we see in Swift Coin, right? Because more and more people, as you see, the prices go up, as you see the market cap skyrocket. You see some more use cases. You see some more connections that people make and partnerships that they make, and that's something that could kind of propel it forward into more use case rather than just profit taking. Does that make sense? So right now, took my profit. I took my initial investment. I still have over $20,000 right now in balance, and I'm sitting pretty, sitting on just gravy here. Let me know if you invested into Swiftcoin. At this point, it looks like my voice is starting to go away again. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, you can check that out in the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.